Hello everybody and welcome back to the Techist Magician. Today we are comparing two of the most highly anticipated smartphones of 2022, iPhone 12 Pro Max and a Pixel 7 Pro, each offering a unique feature of sets and capabilities, and there are some key points to consider between them. Let's dive in and find out what are those. We'll be comparing them through a series of tests. First, let's start with the boot up test. And let's see which device comes out on top here. As you can see, Pixel 7 Pro easily takes the boot up test. The iPhone 12 Pro Max boasts a stunning Super Retina XDR display, while the Pixel 7 Pro features a vibrant OLED display with a high refresh rate for smooth scrolling and gaming. And in the camera section, the 7 Pro is offering advanced computational photography capabilities for stunning photos and videos, and the 12 Pro Max featuring a triple lens setup. Both actually are offering a triple lens setup. And the iPhone 12 Pro Max is equipped with A14's Bionic chipset, which is a lot better as compared to Pixel 7 Pro's Tensor G2 processor. Let's do a real-world test by comparing some apps and games and find out which phone comes on top here. Let's see if there are no apps running in the background. Let's start first with the phone app. Almost the same time. Let's go to messages. Again the same time. Let's check music. That is iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's go to Google. Almost the same time, and both are equally smooth. Let's go to YouTube. This time it was iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's go to TikTok. Well, now it is the Pixel device. Let's go to Chrome. It is again iPhone taking the lead. Let's go to Facebook. Almost the same time. Let's go to the Play Store and App Store. It is Pixel device taking the lead. Let's do Spotify. This time it is iPhone taking that lead. Let's go to Netflix. It is again Pixel 7 Pro taking the lead. Let's go to Discord. It is again iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's go to Roblox. This time it is easily iPhone 12 Pro Max taking the lead. Let's go to Maps. Almost the same time both were. Let's go to Pinterest. It is Pixel 7 Pro taking the lead yet again. Let's move to the gaming section. First we have Mario Run. And in the gaming section, it might be iPhone devices because they are more often optimized for gaming. But it needs an update here. Let's check the next game, Subway Surfers. It is iPhone 12 Pro Max taking the lead as expected. And both are equally smooth. Let's go to Hill Climb Racing. It is easily iPhone 12 Pro Max again. Let's do Candy Crush Saga. Almost the same time, but iPhone was a little bit quicker. Let's finally check the weather app. Let's check some RAM optimization. Overall, both iPhone 12 Pro Max and Pixel 7 Pro are top-of-the-line smartphones with impressive features and capabilities, making them both excellent choices for users looking for a high-end device. Ultimately, the decision between the two will still come down to the personal preference and which features are the most important to a user. And tell us in the comment which phone do you choose and why. Thanks.